Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. This is PJ. As you guys know that in this channel we used to drop daily analysis on boom and crash step and index. If you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. So guys, I'm back again with another wonderful strategy for you guys to enjoy, and which can really help you guys in trading crash 1000 on 1 minute time frames every time in the market. And this strategy is a strategy that you can also use on 5 hours 5 minute time frames. So you can also deliberate your time to study what is happening with this strategy on 5 minute time frames or on 1 minute time frame. So let me explain to guys how you can do this on 1 minute time frames. The only thing that you need to do is to focus more on your window, which we are having our RSI and our moving average of 3. These are the two things you need, and you are going to be respecting this level of your 10 level, and you are going to be respecting your 90 level. These are the level that are more important to you when it comes to 1 minute time frames, and same thing as 5 minute time frames. So what you are going to be waiting for you to take an uptrend market is when you will see that the moving average, which is the moving average of 3, is respecting that 10 level, and we are having our moving average is respecting that 10 level. You see, you can take an uptrend at this particular moment for a long period of time. And even if you can use it to scrap, you can also use it to scrap, maybe taking 10 to 20 candle with this strategy. So let me go to 5 minute time frames to explain more better on how you can use this strategy on everything that you are going to be enter. As you can see now, we have a current market that is running now. We have a signal at this particular moment which respect our 90 level here and give us a signal that this is going to be a downtrend up to this moment. So guys, exactly what I told you guys. You see, the same thing happen here. Let me show you now. The same thing happen here at this moment when it respects the 10 level here. What do you see? You see that the market is going on a uptrend level. You see, it keep on respecting that level because it's reached our 10 level at this particular moment. You see, if you see that very well, you see that it has an entry at this particular moment, and which represent this level. So you can either take your trade from this level and set up your stop loss at the last spike level and keep on trading on the uptrend till you have your best time for you to exit the market. Same thing happen here because it respect our 90 level, and you see what happened here. You keep on taking spike on the downtrend, which respect that level, guys. So this strategy only works on crash 1000, and also it works on boom 1000. You can also use it to scrap on boom 1000, and you can also use it to take a uptrend on boom 1000. You can see now it respect this level and it give us a uptrend this particular moment. You see, same thing happen also here because it respect this level, you see that we have a downtrend at this level. So guys, let me show you the settings of this strategy so that you guys can enjoy trading with this strategy. So we only have two things that we need to have, which is our relative strength index. In our relative strength index, we have only the period of 1, we have apply to close, and we have our style in red color. We have different level, which we have the 10, the 90, the 20, and the 80. So you have the level there, then you press on done. Then you move to the moving average. We have the period of 3, we have the shift of 0, we have the methods to be exponential, we have the apply to close, then you have your green color. So with this, you will have the same settings the way I have it here, and you can keep on follow the rules. Just make sure that you enter when you are having your moving average reaching the 9 level, and when your moving average is reaching the 10 level, you go for an uptrend, and when it's 90, you go for a downtrend. Yeah. So if you are watching this channel for the first time, kindly subscribe to this channel and click on the notification button to notify you when next we drop our next video. We also have room for mentorship and for guides. You can also reach us on Telegram. Thanks.